Hey there, it's Dr. Jim. I have a great topic for you today. It's stopping the drama among your employees in your workplace. This is a funny one because I've worked in long-term care, senior care for about 3 decades, and there tends to be some pretty good drama in senior care facilities for a number of reasons. And, some people really do like drama. Other people kind of run from it. Everybody's different. But if you have some drama, okay. If drama is the main ingredient of your facility, then you might be in trouble. So, what are some of the causes of drama? I believe it always starts on the top with leadership. So, chances are, if drama is taking over your place, you don't have good leadership. Leadership might be insincere, weak, or indifferent. Because if you have strong, authentic, approachable, and serious leaders, chances are leaders are in control of the drama situations that are taking place. Another source of drama that I have found in my career is a culture of unaccountability. Everybody's passing the buck. Nobody wants to own their own mistakes. Nobody wants to be accountable for their missteps. And people will chatter and they will talk and they will gossip. But two words that can be very, very healing and bring accountability back and end a lot of the drama in senior care or in any workplace for that matter. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And to be sincere when we say it. Another source of drama is mediocrity. Mediocrity. Our workplace is not great. It's not horrible. It's just average. That's mediocrity. Well, mediocrity is not a really good goal to shoot for in any kind of business, but particularly when it comes to healthcare and senior care, can we really afford to be mediocre? I really don't think so. And then division among employees. You know it, I know it. Us versus them type of mentality. You've got the leadership, you have middle management, you have the floor staff. People don't get along, so on and so forth, and it's just not a good. It's not a good thing. Really, we have so much more in common than we will give ourselves credit for. Most leadership is shooting for the same type of goals as the floor staff and middle managers and supervisors. So try to close the gap among these, so-called divisions, or perhaps we have a misperception that we have divisions among employees, but we really do not. So I'd like to close by talking about what we can do. Drama has many more sources than the ones I briefly mentioned. You know that. But what is more important is how we can either decrease drama in the workplace or eliminate it completely would be a great goal. First thing I always think about is, in healthcare, senior care, this is not high school. It's not even college. We should probably act like adults and handle things in very adult ways. But sometimes you've got, a few adults in the room and a lot of other people who don't necessarily care to take responsibility. So growing up and really becoming an adult in adult situations is a good way to stop drama. Something that I've done is I've created, put that down, no drama zones. I will, draw this invisible circle around myself, or I'll extend my arms, make a little circle, and I'll call this the no drama zone. If you're full of drama and negativity and all these other things that I really do not like, you're not allowed in here. You're not allowed in my intimate space. So creating no drama zones are very good. And then drafting up some team agreements. As a team in facility XYZ, we commit to no drama. we act like adults. We handle situations appropriately. And if someone, starts to step out of line a little bit, it's okay to remind them, hey, we have an agreement. No drama. We're going to handle this appropriately and with maturity. Okay, that's all I have to say about this particular topic. I'm Dr. Jim Collins. Thank you so much for stopping by.